All right, let's jump right into it. If you drive a Renault Megane III Grandtour and want to save some cash, I'll show you exactly how to swap out those worn brake pads right in your own driveway. First, park your car on a level surface and pull the parking brake. Safety first, loosen the lug nuts on your wheel just a little. Then jack up the car and secure it with jack stands. Never trust just the jacks, seriously. Remove the wheel and boom, there's your brake caliper. Grab a wrench and take off the 2 bolts holding the caliper in place. Gently slide the caliper off and hang it with a bungee cord so you don't stress the brake line. Slide out the old brake pads. They might be snug, but a little wiggle does the trick. Now, before tossing in the new pads, use a C-clamp or caliper tool to push the piston back. This makes room for the thicker new pads. Pop the new brake pads into place, making sure they're seated just like the old ones were. Slide the caliper back over, bolt it up tight, and double-check everything. Throw the wheel back on, tighten the lug nuts, lower the car, and finish tightening those lugs in a star pattern. Before you hit the road, pump your brake pedal a few times to set the pads. Don't skip this step. And that's it. You just changed your brake pads like a pro and saved a ton. See you in the next one.